Hi, my name is Ifedel. This is the second part of the preposition. Just like to take you through some examples of the preposition. Let's take a look at this. I congratulate you dash your success. We gave you some example in the first class. Congratulate on. So you know that this one will definitely be on. Congratulate on. He was charged dash mother. Definitely you know that charged with is charged with mother, not charged or charged for. Charged with mother. She was accused dash lateness. She was accused of lateness. Her husband was mad dash her. Her husband was mad at her, not mad with her. I am keenly interested in sports. I'm keenly interested in sports. The teacher insisted dash punishing the boy. The teacher insisted on punishing the boy. The marriage was dissolved dash the grounds of cruelty. The marriage was dissolved on the grounds of cruelty. The hunter took a steady aim at the animal. He orders me dash as if I were his servant. He orders me around. He orders me around as if I were his servant. The new office is still dash construction. The new office is still under construction. I believe you must have learned a great deal in this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.